finished checking in with you. Give me a second. I'll make sure I cut that radio down. So, someone asked me a question that I want to address real quick. They said, what do you think is best, being a pipeliner welder or just a welder fabricator, in your opinion? Um, this is my personal opinion. There is, for the hourly wages, you're going to make more money being a pipeliner, especially if you got your own rig. And, they tend to pay more. But, a lot of times with them, you're going to have to be clean. You're going to have to abide by certain rules. You're going to have to do certain things. So that's fine. But by hourly wages, pipeline or welder's going to make more. Now, the welder fabricator can make damn good money. You see what I'm saying? But with them, they got a whole lot less downtime, in my personal opinion. Because a pipeliner can go through ups and downs just like they're going through right now. But the welders and fabricators, they still eating. Matter of fact, some of them even eating more now because they have to provide certain things. Like they having this company that fabricated beds for the hospital that was made out of structural angle. Turned out straight. Cool design. Fabricators, welders did that. So it's like the ball is still going for them while the pipeline instead of trying to find a little job. To me, I think you need to be versatile. If you want to go to pipeliner, I think you should learn both of them. That way you never got a downtime. And if I had to pick from one or the other, I would pick just a welder fabricator because I'm going to make more money over time. Because see, sometimes we think, well, you make a lot of big money on this end. But if I'm eating consistently, I'm gonna out eat you. I'm gonna make more money than you. Like those that's on their downtime, I'm gonna make more money than you right now because I'm eating all the time. You hitting these big licks, but then you got these big truck payments and these big payments, and you got these big houses and you living big, so you got a more debt on your plate than I do. You see what I'm saying? So, in my personal opinion, I will pick being a welder, fabricator, installer over just being a pipeliner welder. Hold on.